Hello everyone, this is Kiran. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Cyber Republic. In this video, I'm mostly going to be focusing on how to submit a suggestion on the Cyber Republic website. We're going to walk through the login process and what different screens look like, how anyone in the community can submit a suggestion of their own. So let's get started. All right, so this is the Cyber Republic website. You can go over there at cyberrepublic.org. The first thing you want to do is you can go ahead and take a look around what you see here. You see different tabs. You can go to the council, which shows you all the council members, and then you can go to the white paper. It talks about the white paper of how the Cyber Republic is governed. And then we have the suggestions section where you will be seeing all the suggestions that are currently up. It looks like there's around 159 suggestions so far. And the last one was created by Elation Studios on May 8th of 2022, which is just 2 days ago. So we're going to talk about how we can do that ourselves here. And the next tab is proposals. This is where you're going to be finding the actual proposals that have been accepted by the CRC, Cyber Republic Council members, and are published on the blockchain. And these are the proposals which basically receive funding from the Cyber Republic Fund. The suggestions are just there where anyone can submit a suggestion, and then one of the Cyber Republic members, of which there are 12 of them, one of them just needs to upgrade your suggestion and turn it into a proposal, and that's how a proposal is made. So suggestions to proposal, they're pretty much the same thing, but before any suggestion can be turned into a proposal, you first need to submit a suggestion first, and then only the council member can turn it into a proposal later. All right, so we got the blog here. I'm not going to go there, but you can check out the blog for Cyber Republic by going there. First thing you want to do is before you can add a suggestion, you're going to have to log in. I can try to add a suggestion, but it's probably going to ask me to log in, which there it is. There's two ways of logging in here. You can register using your email, username, password, or you can just log in with Essentials, which I am going to be doing today. If you don't have your Essentials app, I would highly recommend you download it from Apple App Store, whether Android or iOS. You can find it on Elastos Essentials app. So after you download and install it, you have your DID all ready to go on your Essentials app. You go ahead and click on Login with Essentials. You'll get a QR code. And from my phone here, I'm going to be accepting this request. And one thing to note is that you may encounter some problems here, as I did right here. So it looks like I will need to register before I can link with my Essentials. So I actually already have an account with Cyber Republic, so I'm going to be logging in here. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna go to suggestion. So we're gonna walk through the suggestion process here. So the first thing you want to do is you can take a look around how the different formats of the suggestion is there. Usually these suggestions are very brief, and it's just a way to gather support from the community members so that the Cyber Republic Council members, one of them at least, can take a look at it, and if it gets enough likes, enough comments, enough discussion, enough feedback, then they will go ahead and you can even interact with this Cyber Republic Council member if you know any. If you don't, it's completely fine. Everything is governed by this Cyber Republic website here, so you just want to create your suggestion, gather some feedback, rally the community, and if it's popular, then it's gonna get turned into a proposal by one of the council members. All right, so I have the account, but I have not associated it with the DID. So I'm going to be doing that now. Accepting it on my phone. right here. Let me go ahead and do that again one more time. Okay, it looks like I'm having an issue here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how to register any account so that you can. This is an old account of mine, so maybe that's why it's not doing it properly. So let me just do that. So this is how you register first. Let me go ahead and see what my code is. A moment. Oh, there it is. I got the code, which is 449653. All right, now I'm going to be assigning this to my DID, which again looks like it's not working. Okay, let me try this one more time. Okay, let me get rid of that. Okay, it looks like that went through. Never mind, it didn't. So let me try to figure this out here.